All right, let's start off by looking at our ingredients for lunch. So we've got olive oil. Extra virgin is fine, or just regular olive oil. We've got red wine vinegar. If you want to just use white wine vinegar, great. Apple cider vinegar, great. If you don't like vinegar, just use fresh lemon. Yeah, that's a great option. Beautiful, smells so good. I love to just squeeze the skin. Oh yeah, so all the lemon squirts out and yum. Smells amazing. Okay, we say arugula on the menu, but I just got a baby spring mix. It says it's been washed 3 times. I like to wash these anyway because there is some sort of coating on these leaves to keep them fresh. So I like to rinse them. I feel like I can taste a difference. And we've got some black olives. I just got the canned ones. You can do green olives if you'd like. Just some olives, healthy fat. For cucumber, I prefer the smaller Persian cucumbers, but just buy whatever looks fresh. Red bell pepper. Then we've got our cherry tomatoes. If you want to just use a regular large tomato, that's fine too. These are just really easy to handle. And then finally, an avocado. All right, so high recommendation, wash everything first and make sure that you dry it because you don't want to add water weight to your foods. $50 grams. Perfect. Black olives.